Step into a world of ancient luxury with the Byzantine Charm. Learn how easy it is to make these intricate-looking pair of earrings. They feature a vibrant crystal center that is super easy to bezel, followed by a shimmering edge with a coordinating drop at the bottom. Reminiscent of stained glass or royal treasures. You're going to love, love, love these lightweight, statement-making earrings. Or wear them every day with your blue jeans and t-shirts. Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and for this video I have officially teamed up with Eureka Crystal Beads. They were cool enough to send me their latest polychrome glow collection that inspired these earrings and had all the supplies in it that I used to make them. If you want to check out the collection on their website, there will be an affiliate link in the video description. In this step-by-step earring tutorial, you will first learn how to securely bezel the center crystal, then see how to easily complete the rest of the design. Let's take a look at all the supplies used to make the earrings. We have French ear wires, and these are really cool. They have a rainbow plating on them, as you can see, picking up the different colors. Some 6mm bugle beads. You need a total of 4, but you actually need 10 of the 6mm fire polish. These are mini gem duo 2-hole beads, size 11 seed beads. These are Miyuki drop beads and a 3.4mm, and Chinese crystal rondelles and a 2.3mm. In the center are these beautiful crystals. These are a Krakowski brand, which is a Eureka Crystal Bead exclusive crystal. They're a step cut rectangular shape. They're 8x10mm. If you like the colorway of these earrings, run over to eurekacrystalbeads.com to pick up one of the Polychrome Glow collections, where you can get all the supplies to make them, plus so much more for all your beading needs. And today I'll be using 1 yard of Wildfire. This is the black and .006 on a size 12 beading needle. In step 1, we'll bezel this step cut rectangular stone, just like this. That's the back. So let's get started. We're going to begin with the 6mm fire polish and the mini gem duos. So we'll pick up a fire polish followed by a gem duo. Make sure that you come in the hole on the right. And you can tell that there's a top to it. The bottom is flat. It has what looks like a little seam. And you want to continue picking them up all the same way. All 4 fire polish and gem duos in the same direction, and then bring them down near the end of your thread and tightly knot this together. I'm going to add 2 knots, pulling very tight. Finish with the tail, and I'm going to just go ahead and trim it off, making sure that I'm holding this with the curved dome part of the mini gem duos facing up. Next, needle through 1 gem duo and 1 fire polish. Now that you're exiting the fire polish, pick up 3 of the size 11 seed beads, 1 of your 3.4mm drops, and 3 more of the size 11 seed beads. And then needle back through the fire polish that your thread is exiting. Needle through the next gem duo and 1 more fire polish. This time, pick up 2 seed beads, 1 drop, and 2 seed beads. Needle back through the fire polish that your thread is exiting. Coming needle through the mini gem duo. And the next fire polish. We want this side and this side to match, so we'll pick up 3 seed beads on each side of the drop and needle back through the fire polish. Just come through the next mini gem duo and the fire polish. This time picking up 2 size 11s on both sides of the drop, just like this side here. And come back through the fire polish. Now we're going to come up here to this drop bead, needle through the next mini gem duo, the fire polish, come up through the 3 seed beads, and then step into the drop bead at the top. This crystal is rectangular in shape, and will sit here in the middle. The long sides are going to be on the side that has the 6 seed beads, and the short side is going to be on the side that has the 4 seed beads. Now we're going to take 3 seed beads coming out of one drop bead and go into the next, pulling that together. 3 more seed beads coming out of your drop bead, and then needle through the next drop bead, pulling the string tight. Continue with 3 more seed beads through the next drop bead. This is when you can sit your crystal in. You just want to make sure that the points of your crystal sit underneath the 3 seed beads. Picking up 3 more, going to hang on to all of it, coming back through this first drop that we started at. Make sure that the seed beads are on top of the crystal, pulling everything tight. Might have to push the crystal down, just tighten it up with your fingers. I will retrace this top one time, just coming back through all the beads, pulling tight. So after retracing the top, this is in here nice and secure. Let's get our needle and thread in position and finish up our earring. We're going to work our way over here to this mini gem duo. Right now, my thread is exiting one of these drop beads on the side that has the 6 seed beads. I want to come down here to the drop bead on the side that has the 4 seed beads, needling down to that one. Once you're exiting the drop bead above the fire polish, come down the 2 size 11 seed beads, and then needle through the mini gem duo and step into the other empty hole of your gem duo, picking up 3 of these 3x2 crystal rondelles, another one of the 6mm fire polish, and a drop bead. Bringing all those beads next to everything, you're going to skip over this drop bead and come back through just the fire polish, pulling the drop bead up to the bottom of the fire polish, and adding 3 more crystals through the empty hole of this mini gem duo. And sometimes you do have to just wiggle this around with your fingers so it'll hang nice and symmetrically. And then 2 more seed beads. Come back through just the fire polish, And then 2 more seed beads through the empty hole of your next mini gem duo. Coaxing them into place. I'm picking up 3 crystals on both sides of my ear wire, coming through the next mini gem duo. Now we'll repeat this over here. Just turning it over, we have 2 seed beads coming through the fire polish, 2 more seed beads through the mini gem duo. And now we're going to keep going so we can get the bugle beads on the sides. Retrace the thread path down through your crystals, through the fire polish, needle back through the drop bead, come back up through the fire polish and the crystals, and then needle through the mini gem duo and the first seed bead. Picking up 1 seed bead, the 6mm bugle, and 1 more seed bead, needling through this one here, and then through the mini gem duo. Then we'll come along and do it on the other side, through the crystals. Something I like to do is skip the ear wire this time, and come into the next crystals. That way it just sort of sandwiches the ear wire between the 2 threads, keeping it in place a little better. That's up to you, personal preference. Through the mini gem duo and first seed bead, 1 seed bead, 1 bugle bead, and 1 seed bead. Coming through the seed bead here and your mini gem duo. And then just finish off your thread, retracing your exterior line and adding some half hitch knots along the way. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.